When you add graphics to a sequence in Premiere Pro, there's no default transition effect. So if I drag this subscribe graphic into my sequence here and I hit the play button, you'll notice a rather abrupt effect, right? This is a little bit harsh on the eyes. So if you want something a little bit more smooth, you can click on the graphic, and it's very important now that you click on the left edge of the graphic so you get this red marker here. And now you need to right click exactly on the red marker, like so, and click on Apply Default Transitions. Now if I hit the play button, you'll notice a much more smooth transition. And this is called cross dissolve. So where does this effect come from? Well, Premiere Pro has a bunch of built-in effects you can use, and this is just the default one. So to access the effects panel, you can click on effects up here, right? And then you can go to video transitions. But I actually prefer to do this inside editing mode. So I go to the editing mode where I just was before, and then I go down here and I click on these arrows here, these double arrows, and then I select effects. And now you have access to exactly the same panel as you had inside the effects panel. Now you can just go back to the project panel by clicking right there on the project name. So let's go back to effects, and now let's click on video transitions and scroll down a little bit. And if we click on this one called dissolve, you notice that this one cross dissolve is highlighted with the blue color. That's because that's the default transition effect. So if you want to change this, for example, to a slide in effect, go down to the slide option down here, and then click on slide, right click, set selected as default transition, like so. And now you might expect this to work. So if I hit the play button now, it doesn't work. It still has the fade in or the cross dissolve effect. And that's because Premiere Pro is a little bit slow. So you have to first remove the original transition with clear, and then click on it again, apply default transitions, hit the play button, and now you have a nice slide in from the left effect. So of course you can change this to whatever you want. One more thing that's probably valuable for you to know is that if you right click here again and you click on set transition duration, you can actually adjust the milliseconds, the time of or the duration of the transition effect, which is probably useful. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope it has been helpful. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.